My name is Greg Wise. I'm the EHS manager here at Anvil International. The company itself has been in business since 1929. We are an iron foundry. We manufacture pipe fittings, connections, couplings, mainly used in the fire protection industry. We make over 1,000 different products here. Today we are running our forklift rodeo. Purpose of this event is to raise safety awareness for our forklift operators. Run them through an obstacle course, set up a couple different activities out there that kind of pertain to what they do out on the production floor. We had them stack and unstack some pots, dumping of the pots, placement of the pots, and see how close they can get to the object without actually hitting it or knocking it over. We also test them on their forklift knowledge, and then we also go through the forklift inspection process, so making sure that they actually know what to inspect and how to inspect it properly.